NDTV is now learning that both Apollo and Max Hospital are now geared up to roll out vaccines at their centres for 18 plus starting tomorrow. Vishnu Som has the details. Vishnu.
Well, that is the big story at this stage, as you've reported, that both the Max and Apollo chains will be opening out vaccination for those between the ages of 18 and 44 tomorrow. This comes at a time when there was immense confusion about how hospitals were actually going to enable this to take place, and with several hospital groups telling us that they had no access to vaccines at all from either Bharat Biotech or Serum. However, it is quite clear that both the Max group of hospitals and the Apollo group of hospitals have acquired stock. In the case of Apollo, it is from the Serum Institute. And this is going to be rolled out, and it's going to start early tomorrow. So in news that we have, the Apollo hospitals has launched vaccinations for the 18 to 44 age group. That starts on the 1st of May. And according to them, and I quote, realizing the criticality
all of the
vaccinating
hospitals for Apollo across the country.
Realizing the criticality of vaccinating the citizens to mitigate the impact of the second wave of COVID infections, Apollo Hospitals has taken the initiative and made arrangements to procure the vaccines directly from the manufacturers as per the government directive. Now, the Apollo chain has hospitals all across the country, and this is going to be very important in the terms of a rollout on an all-India basis. Max also, I believe, has hospitals in quite a few areas. Therefore, wherever they have their facilities, this will be rolled out there as well. Now, this obviously gives a huge boost to the process of vaccination in the country, which was going very, very slowly. The absolute numbers were impressive, but as a percentage of those who could be vaccinated, the numbers were still a very small percentage. Therefore, anything that is happening now is extremely important. Therefore, at least these two large hospital chains have the vaccines available from the 1st of May. Remember, they are deferring prices for the vaccines at private hospital manufacturers, private hospitals, with both the vaccine manufacturers charging many times the amount that they're charging the center or the states.